If you want to give your best attempt with whatever you have so that later you don't regret कि यार मैंने अपना best attempt नहीं दिया. There are a lot of aspirants who hold the potential to crack this examination. The issue is not in their potential. They are not aware what is the 100% which is required to crack UPSC CSE. This is something which will take you to the league of toppers. Here is the program Brahmas 2027. More comprehensive, more concise, more practical than whatever programs available in the market. If you want to give whatever you have, we will give whatever we have. If you want to give your best attempt with whatever you have so that later you don't regret कि यार मैंने अपना best attempt नहीं दिया. Here is the program which includes whatever we have under a single umbrella, and the program is Brahmas 2027. There are a lot of aspirants who hold the potential to crack this examination. Lot of them are done with the foundation. Lot of them are wasting the years, attempt after the attempt, but they are struggling to find the right direction. The issue is not in their potential, but the issue is that they are not aware of the entire scenario of UPSC CSE preparation. They are not aware what is the 100% which is required to crack UPSC CSE. So if you're someone who wants to give his or her 100%, so as to see that what you can achieve finally in the UPSC CSE examination, here is the program. So what I will do in next few minutes, I will prove that this is something which is way different than the other mentorship programs available. This is something which is way different and more comprehensive, more concise, more practical than whatever programs available in the market. This is something which has already been trusted by many of the serious aspirants in 2026, 2025. Now, under this program, there are 4 major components. The very first component of this program is mains. Now, what we see that many of the aspirants, either they are not done with the mains syllabus, they face the struggle in the answer writing, they skip some of the part of the mains, maybe internal security, governance, disaster management, or ethics, or essay. To plug all the loopholes, what we have done, we have designed everything phase wise under a single umbrella. So under this program, first of all, we are starting with the answer writing sessions, and those are mark sessions from basic till the advanced through the topper copies, parts, tail words, presentation, value addition, everything is a part of mark sessions. Wonderful sessions with great feedback, which I will show you shortly. Then we'll move forward to the syllabus consolidation. So these will be day-long classes, the Vajra classes, where we will be making the one-pager summaries. So at end of the day, when you have to write the mains answers, you're ready with your own handwritten notes, mains notes, which you can revise multiple number of times since they are concise and they are value added at the same time. Vajra classes. The benefit is these are not only the classes. These will ensure कि कुछ रह गया, if there is something which is left in your preparation is plugged in. And secondly, most important, which you might have heard from the toppers also, that they will make you ready with the one-pager summaries, your own short notes. A very important thing in your preparation, right? Then we'll move forward to the Eklavya live PYQ practice, and this is something which is not done by anyone in the entire industry, and this I can claim. So live, we are writing the entire answer in front of you with the timer so that you also write the answer. Something which is phenomenal in approach. All 8-year PYQs will write live in the class with all the subparts, value additions, everything. Then we have 35 mains test. Yes, the test for which you may pay 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 in the market is a part of Brahmas in the same price. So Brahmas is something around 20,000 only, which includes 35 main test with the evaluation, right? You can compare the cost. See, there is nothing to hide, just see the components and see the components otherwise in the other program. Just try to compare. Here the quality of the questions will be top notch, evaluation will be personalized. There is a best model answer you will find ever in the market. So Surya is known for the content. Okay. Then we have the enrichment session, something which is the USP of me as the program head. So day long sessions, I will take the sessions on data and facts, keywords, case studies, best practices, important judgments, so that finally your answers look different from your competitors. This is something which will take you to the league of toppers instantly, and many of the toppers have referred to my sessions of enrichment. Then we have essay and ethics, which many of you ignore in your preparation phase. Bhai, if I talk about the GS 1250 marks, 500 marks is of these two papers. And if you see the scores of the toppers, they end up scoring more in these two papers than in the other GS 3 papers, 3 GS papers. These two papers we will give sufficient focus. You will love the classes, you will love the enrichment. I promise these will be the most practical sessions you will find ever in the essay and ethics. Most practical. Finally, you will be able to write the answers. Finally, you will be able to write the essays. That is my promise. Okay. So, what you can do, these are some of the registered students. We have taken the screenshots from some of the YouTube videos, comments. Just read them, or else you can find the the other videos on YouTube of mine, or maybe of some other faculties. So you will see the comments. You will love the what I can say the feedback. Then mentorship, a very important thing which is almost misguided in the entire industry, and this is something which I personally want to correct. So right now on the name of mentorship, many of the aspirants are being just done with the कि ये syllabus कर लो, यहाँ से कर लो. भाई, all of it is available on the YouTube. All of it is available for free. Mentorship is something which should be personalized, which should be executable in nature. You should be guided with the videos कि भैया now you have to do all these things in this timeline, then you have to do this, then you have to do this, and so on, so that you upgrade your preparation to the next levels. It may not make sense right now to you, but let me tell you, mentorship is not at all about just letting you know कि ये यहाँ से कर लो, यहाँ से कर लो. Don't pay fees for that to anyone. Now some people are just doing the mentorship, joining the mentorship programs and getting some targets, random targets. This test itne din mein, this test itne din mein. So those things are now outdated. What I wanted you to feel is something which is personalized. We'll make a group, your personal group. I'm not adding other students. Let me tell you very frankly, only you will be available with me and your personal mentor. That is it. You ask your doubt, you ask your concern. Let's take it to the next level now. Let's make it more practical now. Okay. Something which is revolutionary, and I promise you this will be now followed by various other institutions down the line. I promise you, because I've cracked this, or we have cracked this, right? Working phenomenal with the ongoing students, phenomenal. Now, third component is basically prelims. So in prelims, we will be giving you the entire summaries. You need not to read 11 books or 5 books or 7 books for a single subject. We will do it for you. We will make the summaries, then we will give it to you. You just read one standard book or whatever has been finalized by your mentor. See, here we will help you in the sources mapping. Whatever has been finalized, just stick to that source. Along with it, complement this for the revision. So that ultimately you're not in the FOMO ki mera ye reh gaya, this is left. No, we have already done the summaries in the prelims static books. Then bootcamp classes, something which is next level, what I can say, I mean, loved by the students. I mean, something in which we have given everything this year. I mean, not in terms of content, I'm saying the efforts, right? Then we have the other three components. The 24 part length test. This will make you to first of all cover the syllabus. Polity divided into 3 tests. History divided into 3 tests. Or maybe economy divided into 3 tests. Geography in 3 tests. Let's first complete the syllabus. Then one subject, one paper. Let's revise the syllabus. Then 8 full length test. Let's simulate the syllabus. Very clear cut ideology in terms of practice. Then we have the Samadhan classes and all those subsequent classes post January wala month. So these Samadhan classes, bootcamp classes will start from January onwards, so that you are in the prelims mode. Again, those prelims 11 books are part of this, 4 GS books are part of this. Don't go with the year, these will be updated. You will be getting updated books. Then entire Sunya. So I told you in the starting, right? If you want to give whatever you have, we will give whatever we have. So entire content which has been referred by the toppers, content boosters, mains current affairs articles, prelims current affairs is part of Brahmas. Okay. Here is the feedback of the students who are already part of this batch. What you can do extra. I mean, if you want to register, here is the number on the screen. If this is not visible, let me show it, write it here. Wait. 8383950315. लिख के देखता हूँ. 8383950315. रुकना. 8383950315. ठीक है, I was just testing my pictorial memory. It's fine. This is the right number. What you can do, you can call on this number, you can reach at us to the WhatsApp over this number. If you want to connect me, do let them know ki let me get in touch with the Sugam sir. We will diagnose you better. I promise. Okay. Just one thing. Whatever we are giving you under the mentorship in the Brahmastra is something which you cannot even think of. Okay. The things will be of that level. है So that is something which we cannot explain in the video as well. So it will be down the line under the program. See you in the batch. Don't miss it out if you really want to go all in your attempt. Thank you.